Hi guys, during this pandemic times, people would prefer going for a staycation rather than a vacation because they want to avoid crowded place. So this cafe is a very nice place where we can find foods and also it's the dumpster hidden gems. So let's check it out.
So for the SDGs of good health and well-being, we will have to do some safety precautions. So as we can see that the place is very comfortable, the kitchen is also very clean, it is decorated with a very nice decoration. It's a very good place to take picture, and they also really care about climate action, and they're using the recyclable materials to decorate their room.
So guys, the service here is very good. They know about what the food is made up of, and also they also even ask us whether we have lactose intolerant or not. So it is very safe for us and there's no worries to order here. So yeah. So let's go and check it out.
They also sell some merchandises, products like decoration, milk, and any like small foods to grab. So it's here more details of the rooms.
As we can know, the souffle pancake is very famous nowadays. So let's dig in.
All the foods are fresh from the oven, and also we can see that it is just similar as what they showed in the menu.
Very good.
As we can see, they even show us how they really made the pancake from the beginning till the end, and also the price is very worth it and reasonable for the pancake. So that is all for my videos. As we can see that they really care about the climate action, and also they really care about the customers' well-being. For the 4-piece, the product, place, promotion, and price are all very reasonable, and the 5 dimensions of service are all very accomplished accurately. So yeah, thank you everyone for watching my videos, and see you again.